What? You're not in my head?
Oh, there it is. It's over there on the right.
Okay.
Turn right where it says pick up.
Okay. This is not like pulling into Buc-ee's. I-30 has always had construction ever since we were teenagers. We drove to East Texas to go to college, and it was just crazy on this road, and we haven't driven this in a long time, but it's not any different. It's bigger, but just as busy and just as messed up. Exit. We're about to turn here and go see what it's all about. Here we are. We gotta get into our spot. We gotta get charged up. Charger number 3, and we'll get it going. There we go. Here we are at a Superfoods. Hopefully they have a restroom because it's been a long drive. Looks like there's some other stuff down there. Nice breakfast at IHOP, and we are ready to go. Texarkana on our way to Arkansas. Well, as you see, the car's letting me know we're getting low on the battery, but that's a good thing. The lower the battery is, the faster it charges, so it's all good. Here we are about to exit at Hope, Arkansas. This is our second charging stop on the trip. I can hardly wait to see what amenities we have at this stop. It says to go here. That's a little confusing, but we'll go. There's Walmart, so I know we're in the right place. Come on, let me out, let me out. No, it's not gonna let me out. Oh, don't you love going to Walmarts? Let's see if I can get there this way. What? You're not in my head? I wanted you to get close up to me turning the wheel, but that's all right.
It's lying. I don't see any chargers.
See it.
Oh, there it is. It's over there on the right.
Okay.
Turn right where it says pick up.
Okay. I see it. This is not like pulling into Buc-ee's. Here we are in Hope, Arkansas, Electrify America, and we are at charger number, what's the number back there? 2. So I'm gonna select a charger. All right, we just left Electrify America at Walmart, and we're on our way to Little Rock. And if we look right here, let's see, gonna go into a battery wrap planner, and yeah, 83% now, and looks like we'll end up at 21%, so I overcharged. There is a Hampton Inn Suites and a few other minor amenities.
Holiday Inn Express.
Yeah, there's a Holiday Inn Express and some other things, so a few things. And right here, close to where we charged, we have a Los Gringos Mexican food. That looks good. We're pulling into Little Rock right now. We're just about to our exit. We're gonna go charge up and then find something to eat. And it looks like we're just about to turn to 20%. That's when the car always gives me the warning that it's time to charge. So we timed it pretty well. We always tend to put in a bigger buffer than we need. It just makes us more comfortable when we're driving. A nice charging stop here, and off to the next one. We're going to be spending the night at the next charging place. We just left, or leaving Little Rock, and we're on our way to Forrest City near Memphis. The weather's been kind of bad, so there hadn't been much to show. Sorry about that. But anyway, the trip's going good. We had lunch at the fancy Walmart Subway there, and by the way, the subway was pretty rough. I wouldn't suggest going there if you have to stop at that Walmart. Anyway, see you at the next stop. We're here at the Holiday Inn Express, and they have actually a couple chargers here, and this is called Stay and Charge, or Stay and Charge. You can connect up right here. I downloaded the app. It's like 49 cents a kilowatt hour, so it's definitely worth it if you're spending the night, because it might be more than that just to have a DC fast charger. So this is a win for anybody staying here. I thought I'd give you a quick look at our hotel room we got. That's the Holiday Inn Express. Nice room, has a lot of room in it. Actually, they gave us an accessibility room, so it has more room to park your scooter or whatever. So, but anyway, very happy with this. There's a little refrigerator, microwave, and the bathroom. Very neat and clean. Nice walk-in shower. All right. We just spent the night in Forrest City, and we're on our way to Jackson, Tennessee. So that's an hour and a half, 2 hours away. So anyway, see you there. right, we're pulling into Jackson, Tennessee. Gonna do a charge up here, grab some coffee, and be on our way. We're up and running in Jackson, Tennessee, so gonna run into Walmart here. Looks like we have pretty good amenities around here. Taco shop and some other things. It'd be a bit of a walk because everything's a walk from a Walmart parking lot. We're on our way to Nashville. Our road on the way out of Jackson, Tennessee is nice and smooth here. Loving it. Coming into Nashville, and if you take a look ahead, you'll see we're coming through a big mix master and heading toward downtown.
Keep slide left at the fork.
All right, here we are at the Opry Mills Mall in Nashville at the Rainforest Cafe. Our car's outside charging, and we're looking forward to something to eat. We just crossed the state line into Kentucky, so about 140 more miles to Louisville, but we're going to stop at Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is real exciting because that's where the National Corvette Museum is. At the National Corvette Museum. Let's take a look at some of the vets right around us. Pretty cool. Hey, we're here in Louisville, Kentucky. Been quite a drive and a lot of fun. We just got into a little traffic jam here at the end. There's not much else to see in between here and there. Hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure and like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It would sure help our channel a lot. And come back and see us. And don't forget to leave any comments below if you have anything that you would like to say. Thanks a lot. Bye.